Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing very well. Today we will solve question 11, 12 and previous question 1 to 11 are uploaded on my YouTube channel. Question number 11 is y is a directly proportional to x square and y is equal to a. Y is equal to a for a particular value of x. Find an expression for y in term of a when this value of x is doubled. Okay. Solution y is a directly proportional to x square. Here this is a proportionality sign change with equality. We insert k where k is a constant. Okay. Find the value of k. We need both value x and y, but y is given, y is equal to a, x is not given. We will let the value of x, we will let value of x is equal to b. Okay. Now put the value of y and x in that equation. Y is equal to k x square. It will be a is equal to k b square. Okay. Find the value of k. We will divide k on both side, b square. Okay. Divide b square cancel out. K is equal to a over b square. Now put the value of k in that equation. Y is equal to k x square, like that. Y is equal to a by x square, a by b square into x square. Okay. This equation we'll use in the next part of this question, which is when this value of x is doubled, mean x is double. Here we let the value of x is b, x is doubled mean x is equal to b plus b. Okay. It will be 2b, mean when x is equal to 2b. Okay student. So put the value of x in that equation. Y is equal to a by b square and x square is equal to 2 raised to power square. It will be y is equal to a by b square and 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 square to 4, 2 square and b square because power is square. Okay. 4b square. Now b square cut down. Y is equal to 4a. Okay. Okay student, next question is question number 12. Before doing question number 12, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Question number 12, the braking distance of vehicle is directly proportional to the square of its speed when the speed of vehicle is b meters per second. Okay. Its braking distance is d meter. If the speed of the vehicle is increased by 200%, find the percentage increase in its braking distance. In this question asking 2 or 3 things. First of all, we need create an equation. Braking distance is equal to d meter. Okay. Here braking distance means vehicle will travel from the point. Okay. Braking. Okay student, in this question they given as a small d meter, like that, as a small d meter, but I have taken a big capital D. Speed of vehicle b meter per second. Here speed of the vehicle is b, small b meter per second. Okay. We will take in capital letter. So according the question, D is a directly proportional to b square. Why b square? Because here given directly proportional to the square of its speed. What is speed? Speed of vehicle is capital M meter square. Okay. This is a proportionality sign. Proportionality sign change with equality. We insert k where k is a constant. Okay. We need find the value of k. We make the value like b. Capital B is equal to small b and capital D is equal to small d. Okay. Like that. Capital B and D have given as a small in the question. We will put the value of B and D in that equation. It will be okay, b square. Find the value of k. We will divide b on both sides. It will be k is equal to d by b square. Put the value of k in that equation. It will be d is equal to small d by b square and capital B square. Okay. Now connecting the equation, our second part is if the speed of the vehicle is increased by 200%. Okay. When the speed of vehicle increased by 200%, when the speed of vehicle increased by 200%, but we will let speed is equal to 100%. Okay. First of all, we need to find the value of capital B because small b have been given as the speed b meter per second. Okay. Now we will write like that 200% plus 100% multiply by small b. Okay. B is equal to 200 plus 100 is 300% B. Okay. Percent is equal to 1 by 100. Okay. B is equal to 300 divided by 100 multiply by B. 2 zeros cut down like that. After that B will be 3 B's. Okay. Now put the value of capital B in that equation. D is equal to, it will be D is equal to small d by B square. Capital B square is equal to B is equal to 3B whole square. Okay. And D is equal to small d B square 9 3 square 9 B square. Okay. B square cut down. After that D is equal to 9D. Okay. Here we find out the value of D also 9D. Okay. The next part is find the percentage increase in its braking distance. Here we will use the formula percentage increase is equal to new distance minus old distance divided by old distance multiplied by 100. Okay student, new distance is 90. Old distance which is d meter, small d, all distance d divided by all distance multiply by 100%. 90 minus d is equal to 8d. D cut down. After that percentage increase is equal to 8 multiplied by 100%. It will be 800%. Okay. Okay student, I hope you understand it very well. If you have any query, please then let me know. Comment the video. If you like, please subscribe and share.